Welcome to SADX number exercise 1.4 of Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7. Today we will start first episode of highest common factors. This exercise 1.4 has lots of math. 1 to here is 12. So one video we will not solve this one. We try to make this one by several episode. So from 1 to 4 we will start first episode. It will be 1 to 4. Let's start. Number 1. Find the factors of A 24. So first we have to find out the factors of 24. A 24. These 24 we can write like, suppose 1 times 24 is a 24, then 2 times 12 also 24, then 3 times 8 is a 24, 4 times 6 is a 24, 7 is not possible, 8 already done, 9 not possible, 10 not possible, 12 done, 24 done. So 24 we can factorize by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So find the factors of 24. So we can write factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Very simple. Next, number B. Find the factors of 50. 50 we can write 1 times 50, then 2 times 25, 3 is not possible, 3, 4, 5 possible, 5 times 10, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 done, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So up to 25 we cannot find anything. So 25 and 50. So we can write factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Right? Next, number C. We will find out factors of 45. 45 we can write 1 times 45, then 2 not possible, 3 times 15, then 5 times 9. That's enough. So we can write factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and then 45. Okay. So A, B, C done. Now D 19. 19 is a prime number. So we can factorize only 1 and 19. So we can write factors of 19 are 1 and 19. Okay, very simple. So question 1 done. Question 2. Here is find the factors of 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. So similar, one by one we try to solve this one. 2a 33. 33, we can write 1 times 33, then 3 times 11 is a 33. So factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Number B, 34. This one 1 times 34, 2 times 17, right? So similar we can write, so factors of 34 are 1, 2, 17, 34. Number C, we will find out factors of 35. So 35, 1 times 35, then 2, 3 is not possible, then 35, 5 can possible, 5 times 7 is a 35. So we can write, so factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35, right? Then number D, 36. This one 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, then 4 times 9, it's enough. So we can write, so factors of 36 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. And finally number E, here is 37. So 37 is a prime number, so here factors only 2, 1 and itself 37. Okay, so this one we can write factors of 37 are 137. Okay, so number 2 done. 1 and 2 done. It's a very simple. We are just trying to find out the factors. Now number 3. 1 and 2 done. Number 3, here mention, find the common factors of 18 and 48, and number B, find the highest common factors of 18 and 48. So this one, number 3, A, find out the common factors of 18 and 48. So 18, we can write what? 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, enough. Next, what? 48. 48, we get 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8, 7, 8 already done. So this is a factors of 48. So we can write factors of 18 are what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Then factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Right? Now look, our first question, find out the common factors of 18 and 48. So common factors are, so we can make circle. 1 is a common, 2 is a common, 3 is a common, 6 also common, then 9 and 18 is not common, so only common thing is what? So common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now next, 3b. Find out the highest common factor or HCF of 18 and 48. Highest common factors of 18 and 48 is what? Is, here is highest one is 6, so 6. Okay, this is very simple question answer but very important around the world. 4a. Find out the highest common factors of a, 12 and 28. So highest common factor 12 and 28, this one we can write in here. 4a HCF what? 12 and 28. 12 and 28 or for 28, right? 28 equals to, we will write in here, but first we have to find out the factors of 12. 12 we can write 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay, this is a, so factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? So this one we can write in here. Now we will find out 28. 28. This one we can write 1 times 24. Oh no, it's a 28, or really 28. So 28. Then 2 times 14. 3 is not possible. 4 times 7. Right? Then 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's not factors of 28. So we can write factors of 28 are, so 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Right? Now we have to find out which one is the highest common factor. Look, here is common factor is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. But highest common factor is 4. So our answer is 4. Okay, so very simple. 4a done. Now we will start 4b. 4b, here we will find out the common factor of 12 and 30. So first 12 we have to find out common factors. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, right? So factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then we will find out 30, factors of 30. 30, 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So which one is the common highest factor? Highest common factors is, look, here common thing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 6, 6. So highest is 6. So we can write HCF 12 and 30 equals to 6. Very simple. A and B done. Now what? Now 4B, C, 4C. So here is 12 and 36. 12 we already find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we can write here 12 factors are what? We can write again 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And then 36. 36. This one is what? 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, right? Then 4 times 9. It's enough. So we can write 36 factors are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, then 12, 18, 36. So what is the highest one? Look, here common thing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 also. And look, here is 12, here is 12. It's the highest. So 12 is our highest common factor of 12 and 36. So we can write HCF 12 and 36 equals to 12. Okay, so number 4 done.